Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is an update on hashing ad space. I haven't done one for more than 4 months. I've been lazy and been letting you down, and I ask your forgiveness for that. Yes, so I've just logged into my account, my hashing ad space account. For those people that don't know, hashing ad space is an advertising platform where you can advertise your online money making products, and other people will watch your ads. But it's also opportunity for people who want to earn from watching ads to be rewarded with Asimi. Asimi is a cryptocurrency, or the currency that you'll get paid to view the ads, and also the currency that's used on the website. If I go to my, if you on the home page, you'll see here. This is the advertisements that's delivered already, 36 million, and then here are the stakes. I'll tell you about the stakes just now. And then, yeah, that's just your email. So if I go to my dashboard, you'll see I've got 1,118 Asimi. That is what I've earned from watching other people's ads. Here you can see the price of Asimi. You can see I've got 44 stakes. Stakes is when you want to put away your Asimi. In the cryptocurrency world, you can stake that particular currency, and it's normally put away for a year, 6 months, or a certain period of time. And that the idea is to get stability in the currency. Unfortunately, I haven't seen stability in any cryptocurrency, even though you can stake, but you also get rewarded for staking. In this case, every day there's 17,338 Asimi that's minted or issued, and everybody that watched ads or that staked Asimi and watched ads for that day will share in those that's basically free Asimi. At the moment I get 44, I've got 44 stakes, so I can watch 44 ads, so I'll get 44 parts of that of the Asimi that was issued. It's difficult to explain how much my percentage of that 17,400 Asimi is, but basically I think there's already, if I go to the home page, it tells me how many people have staked for the day or watched ads. I just want to have a look here. Here you can see, no, that's not that graph. Yeah, minting rewards. So 26,000. So 17,000 Asimi divided by 26,000, and that is the amount of or the number of Asimi that I will get for each stake that I have. I've got a calculator that I'll show you just now, where that also is calculated. But here you can see my minting stakes or stats. I haven't in the last 2 weeks bought any new stakes, and you can see the one day I missed. I was on holiday in the Kruger, and I didn't have time to watch my ads, so I lost out there. And then you can see advertising stats. Lately I've been starting to advertise, and here's also my affiliate sales. When you refer people, you earn 10% of what they watch, and when they buy advertising, you earn 50% of that. The big change that has happened over the last couple of months is the price of Asimi. The biggest risk to Asimi is the price. So far, the price has gone much lower than anybody would have expected, but we know cryptocurrencies are very unpredictable. The price has gone down dramatically, especially in the last 3 months. But I think it's a lot of people that are cashing out. Asimi, if you calculate the beta phase as well, it's about 9 months old now. The beta test started in November, and then I only started buying, or not buying, or staking Asimi in the end of January. And then I started buying. I bought 20 stakes, or I staked 20 Asimi or stakes. And then, yeah, they don't want us to say we bought stakes, but it's the easiest way to explain it, that you bought, because every stake is equivalent to $100. But if I show you the graph, I remember in the beginning, at one stage, I could stake for 40 or 60 Asimi. Today it's a 1,200 Asimi. You can see the price; it's gone down dramatically over the last. You see, that's from say, yeah, it was quite stable. So let's say from March. And I think it's the people that staked in the beginning started cashing out. The people are still cashing out because the people, I think, still hasn't got that much faith in Asimi. But Asimi is created by Luke Millard, who came from the revshare world. And I think 90% of all the people that joined hashing ad space come from the revshare world, and they are they know that a normal revshare only lasts about 6 years. The best one was My Paying Ads, and that lasts 2 years. But they all crash because of cash flow problems. But hashing ad space actually cannot have cash flow problems, because the people are paid in Asimi, and the Asimi is minted, and it doesn't cost the company anything to hand out that Asimi. Luke makes his money from the 50% advertising that he sells, and nothing more. He holds on to a lot of Asimi himself, but he used that for for advertising, hashing ad space, and to pay his staff. Yes, you can see the stake. Let's see how many Asimi you need to stake today. It's 1,232, which is a lot of Asimi, but it's still $100 worth. So if you're new and you're joining now, you're getting a lot of Asimi for your dollars, because every stake stays $100. So $100 is fixed. But as the Asimi price varies, the number of Asimi you need varies too. But this, say you stake today and you pay the 100, or you stake the 1,232, that 1,232 is paid back to you over 365 days, and you're allowed to watch one ad per day. And you share for 365 days, you share in the 17,438 Asimi that is issued every day. So people think that because the Asimi price is so low, it's a bad time to get in, or they're scared it will go lower. The possibility is there, it can go lower, but you can see the graph is flattening out here. So I think it's very close to a bottom, or at a bottom at the moment. So if you're buying Asimi now and this price just goes slightly up, then you will have a huge increase in your in the value of your Asimi, and obviously the money that you paid. I've got a calculator here. If you want the calculator, you're welcome to inbox me or email me. I'll put my email in the comments below. Or you can contact me on Facebook. I'll put my Facebook link in the comments as well. So yeah, I've got a calculator. I start with 20, but this calculator, because there's so many moving parts, like the Asimi Bitcoin price, the Bitcoin US dollar price, the Rand dollar price. Okay, the Rand dollar price is only applicable to my South African friends, but yeah, and the other thing is the number of minted ads, because the number of people that are watching ads every day, the minting ad varies every day as well. So if there's less people watching, the other people that are watching are getting more Asimi. So there's a lot of moving parts here, but this is, you can work this out as if you're starting now. If you start now with 20 stakes and at that price, and at that US Bitcoin price, then you'll get returns of 3,000 Rand, or 3,000 Rand per month, which is about $6 per day. But that doesn't sound like much, but if you go, I've worked out what the return on investment is, and I still get 20% return on investment per year, which is not bad compared to the banks. But yeah, it's bad compared to cryptocurrency. But let's say this Asimi price goes back to where it was. So let's say, where's the price? So we can see here there was quite a middle price. So that is 0.0048. So I'm just going to change that to 48. How many zeros were there? I think it's there. 48. No. I think it's 0.48. I just want to see what the price was. 3048. 3048. Then all of a sudden I'm earning 10 times more per month, 35,000 per month. So that is, everything stays the same. And if I'm buying now 20 stakes, because the 20 stakes I bought in the beginning, because of the prices are completely different to what it is now. So you can see if it goes back to where it was, there will be a big increase in my monthly returns and also my return on my Asimi. I believe the price can go back up to those values again, because the stakes are only valid for 1 year. Everybody's that started in November, December, January, February, which were, I think, the bulk of the people, their stakes will start expiring. And as soon as it starts expiring, they will want to keep up their status in Asimi and also their earnings. So they will buy again like they did in the beginning with a launch. And if that happens, we'll see a big demand for Asimi again. And that's why I think it's a good time to buy now, and we'll see the prices that we saw here in the beginning. We'll see that again. And that will only be the end of the year. But you can still buy now and earn your Asimi and accumulate Asimi and reap the rewards as soon as the price goes up again. So yeah, this is quite a long video, but yeah, that is just basically my update on Asimi. In my next video, I'm going to show you a new affiliate product that I'm promoting in Hashing Ad Space. That's one of the reasons I haven't been buying any more stakes, because I've been using my stakes for advertising. I'll just show you here. Active campaigns. Nothing is active at the moment, but here you can see the advertising that I've done so far, and I've got very good opt-in rates from that, because the people that are watching the minted ads are people that have already paid over $100 for their stakes. So it's good quality advertising, or you're advertising to a very good audience. So yeah, I'm going to end the video and say, thank you very much for watching. If you want to join my team and you need help to get set up and want to get started with Hashing Ad Space, I'll put my link below. It will take you to a page on how to get started with Hashing Ad Space. The most important part is or I'll send you a welcome email, and then read the email and then just follow my instructions in that welcome email on how to get started. So yes, so that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.